Hi, my name is Sadie Boland, and I am a graduate and law school consultant with Accepted.
My name is Kelly Wilson, and I am an MBA and grad school admissions consultant with Accepted.
The most rewarding parts of working with Accepted is seeing the way candidates can dramatically improve their essays and their entire application as the result of our work together.
We'll work to pull together the most compelling aspects of your background and experience. We will tell your story, and that's the story that will set you apart from other applicants.
Totally supportive of you, coaching you on any aspect of your application, demonstrating your skills, your accomplishments, and clearly defining your goals.
I have read thousands of essays and done thousands of interviews all over the world. And believe me, I know what a good application looks like.
You are open to the application process, we're gonna get along great.
I've worked with students for over 30 years, and I can't imagine a more rewarding kind of work.